continuing with the laws of writing Hashem's name, says the Kesek Keshu Kosev, if he's writing V'roeshu Karovo Hashem, and he sees he's close to Hashem's name, V'hadio Kalamin Akomas, and the ink is running out of the quill, and he's going to need to dip the quill into the inkwell in order to write the name. Al Yachtov Ad Hashem. He shouldn't write all the way up until God's name. He has to leave at least one letter over before the name, meaning to say that right after you dip the quill into the inkwell, you shouldn't immediately write God's name. You should leave over at least one letter and then write the name. But you shouldn't do it right away, because we're concerned that maybe there'll be too much ink, and therefore he's not going to write it in a nice way. And also, you need to also sanctify the ink that's on the quill before you write God's name. And if you won't even leave at least one letter before writing the name, and he dips the quill, then he's going to look afterwards for if basically, let's say he comes to the circumstance where he has no choice, there's no way around it, then he should look for a letter or a crown that needs to be a little bit more ink, and he should fill it in and then write God's name. But to just write another name is prohibited, because since this ink was dipped in for the purpose of writing Hashem's name, you shouldn't write with it at first a non-sacred name.